like days last forever with you by my side. Thought it'd never take this long again. Why won't you die? Guess I should have left the lobby or killed you at spawn. I didn't think that you'd be a problem, but now I want you gone. You jumped into this server hub like a high or self-centered egg. Before you tried advertising, I don't care about your YouTube fame. I'm not teaming with noobs, don't want your stuff. Go solo all day, I can't get enough. Fight for my life, don't need your food out of my eyes. Never with you, 'cause I'm not teaming with noobs. My patience pushed to the limit.